So we have a question like this here. The question was given like this, and the dimensions, it is 60 here, 60 millimeters. Then here it's 70 millimeters, this part, and this one too. It's a square, so it's more like it's a square to square transition piece. This part is 25 millimeters. It's also a square. That's why I'm calling it a square to square transition piece. So as you can see, I've already done the construction here on my instrument drawing, but I just want to show you quickly how to do it. So firstly, in order for us to be able to construct a transition piece, we have to divide this part into triangles. So we call it like a triangulation method. So we have to first use our T-square, make this part horizontal until it joins this part, and this one too, make this one vertical and make this one vertical too. And then we number, or we label our top view. I can call it a top view because this is like a view from the top. Then this could be a front view, so we can label it as A, B, C, D, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we can label these parts with any letters. So I've decided to label this one as H, I, J, K. Okay, so you can see from this part there's a line missing here because of this edge here. From K to 4 we have a line here. So this is our front view, this is our top view, and we want to construct a transition piece of this. As I've already explained the use of transition pieces and how they are constructed on the slides. So our D will be here, our A will be here, our H will be here. So it's more like DHA, DHA. And then here we'll only have our K and our I. Then up here we're gonna have our 2 that side, then 4 in the front. Then we're gonna have 1 here and have 3 here. Then we're gonna have our B here, we're gonna have our J here, we're gonna have our C. Then that's it. Secondly, what you need to do is to divide this top view, as I said before, into triangles, triangulation method. So you can join this part to this part, 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 from D to 4, from D to 1, from A to 1, from A to 2. Then you can have something like this. Secondly, you need to have a true length of A1, a true length of D4. But as you can see, these are squares, so this part is equal to this one, this part is equal to this one is equal to this one, this one is equal to this one. They are all equal. Then K4, H1, I2, and J3 are all equal, and their true lengths are here. The true length of BJ is this one, the true length of BC is this one. The only true length that we don't have here is A1. So we're going to continue on this drawing on this side. So as I said, we construct these lines from A to 1, from A to 2. You can construct from C to 4, but they are all equal, as I said, so it's up to you if you want to do all of them. From C to 3, from B to 2, from B to 3, from D to 1, from D to 4. All these parts are equal. So we need to find a true length of A1, which is equal to this one and this one and this one and this one, this one, this one, and this one too. Okay, so we'll use our compass instrument. So we're gonna put our point at A, then we want to project from 1, because we want the true length of this height here. So we project it. As you can see, it passes by 2 exactly. Then you're gonna find that point here next to I. Then what you want to do is you want to project your true length up there. Then you can, as you can see, starts from A to 1. So our A is here. Then our 1, this is our 1 from like between, it's between 1 and 2. So it's going to is between it's gonna be between 3 and 2, because like it's from here to here. So a true length, we have to get it like this, because every time you have to get a true length, you have to take it from this horizontal line. It doesn't matter even if it was outside, even if it was somewhere here, as long as it was going to touch this top part here, because that's our maximum height. So you have to get your true length from here to there. So this is like from A to 1, is this long. Then now we want to construct our transition piece. So we will start here